turn on age restriction on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the TechinZain. So in today's video we are going to see how you can turn on age restriction mode on your YouTube app. So before starting the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get started the video. So why we need to turn on age restriction mode? It is because sometimes we don't want any 18 plus or any kind of content that is age restricted for YouTube. So and sometimes anyone children in our family uses our mobile, so that's why we want them to not see any age restriction type of content. So that's why we want to turn it off, that turn on the age restriction method. So for this you just need to go to just click on this icon which is showing top right corner, then click on setting. After that you will see an option called general. Click on general and here we see the restriction mode. You can see second last option, restriction mode. So you just need to click here and now it is turned on. So this is how you can do to turn on age restriction mode on YouTube. Hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll meet in next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.